student, welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Salva ma'am and I am going to teach you chemistry for class 10th, and the topic for today is acid, bases and salt. Okay students, let's start with the chemical properties of acid, bases and salt. Right? Now reaction with metals. I have made one column of acid and one column of base side by side so that you can study it comparatively. So when the metals react with acid, what forms? Salt and hydrogen is formed. Salt is formed and hydrogen gas is released. And when the base react with metal, then again salt is formed and hydrogen gas is released. Let us take the example of acid. When 2HCl reacts with zinc, what is formed? Zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is released. This chloride comes with zinc and the valency of zinc is +2. So 2 chloride, ZnCl2, this is zinc chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is released. Similarly in base what happens? Sodium hydroxide is taken with zinc. So Na2ZnO2, that is sodium zincate is formed and hydrogen gas is released. This is also a salt, right? So in both cases salt is formed and hydrogen gas is released when the metal reacts with acid or a base. Okay students, this is a diagram for testing of hydrogen gas. In this setup you can see in the test tube there is zinc granules and acid is present. When the reaction occurs, what happens? The hydrogen gas is released and these bubbles are of hydrogen gas. When you bring a burning candle near these bubbles, they burn with a pop sound. Okay. Now this shows that hydrogen gas is released. Now next is reaction of metal carbonates, metal hydrogen carbonate with acid. When acid reacts with metal carbonate or bicarbonate, salt is formed, carbon dioxide is formed and water is formed. We are taking an example of HCl and sodium carbonate, that is this is acid, hydrochloric acid and sodium carbonate, it's a metal carbonate. So HCl when combines with Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, NaCl is formed, Na from here and Cl from here, NaCl is formed, carbon dioxide gas is released and water is formed. Another example we are taking of HCl with sodium hydrogen carbonate, right? That was sodium carbonate, this is sodium hydrogen carbonate. When HCl reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaCl is formed again, Na from this side and Cl from this side, NaCl is formed, carbon dioxide gas is released and hydrogen that is water is formed, H2O, that is water is formed. And these bases, this is the reaction of acids. Now bases do not react with metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. These bases do not react with it. Now next is testing of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide formed over here, how can we say this gas released over here is carbon dioxide? So we are going to test whether this gas is carbon dioxide or not. Now testing of carbon dioxide can be detected by passing it through lime water. Okay, when we pass carbon dioxide through lime water turns milky. So first it is a clear solution. When carbon dioxide is passed through this solution, it turns milky. What is lime water? Lime water is calcium hydroxide. When carbon dioxide is formed passed with calcium hydroxide, so this reaction takes place. Calcium carbonate is formed and water is formed. Calcium carbonate is milky white in color. So when carbon dioxide is passed and through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate, right? Now next is neutralization reaction. What is neutralization? You already know neutralization means when acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. So when the acid reacts with base, what happens? The properties of acid and properties of base, they both combine and they all vanish. They do not remain their properties. Acid do not remain their own properties and base do not remain their own properties. So their properties vanishes and a salt is formed, right? And water is formed. So this reaction is called neutralization reaction, right? That is acid and base both become neutral. So it is a neutralization reaction. And in this neutralization reaction, always water and salt is formed. Now this we are taking an example of HCl and NaOH, the common base and acid. Now the acid HCl and base NaOH, when they react, always Na will go with Cl. So NaCl is formed and water is formed. This NaCl is what? NaCl is the common salt which we use every day in our food, in our kitchen. The white color salt, that is called NaCl. Now next is reaction of metallic oxides. What are metallic oxides? Metallic oxides like the metal in which the oxygen is attached. Okay, so like calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium is a metal and oxygen is attached, so it is metallic oxide. Magnesium is a metal, oxygen is attached, so it is a metallic oxide, right? So calcium oxide and magnesium oxide are metallic oxide. Now this metallic oxide is basic in nature, right? So this metallic oxide is basic in nature. It reacts with acids. It does not react with base. Why? Because it itself is basic in nature. So it always reacts with metallic oxide, reacts with acid. When acid reacts with metallic oxide, salt and water is formed. Again, it is a kind of neutralization reaction, right? Because one is acid and metallic oxide is basic in nature, so it will be base. So salt and water is formed. So over here I am taking example of HCl and CaO, that is calcium oxide, which is a metallic oxide. When HCl and CaO react, then calcium chloride from here comes with calcium, so calcium chloride is formed and water is formed. Then next is reaction of non-metallic oxide with bases. Now non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature, right? Metallic oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. When this non-metallic oxide reacts with base, again it's a kind of neutralization reaction, right? Now base reacts with non-metallic oxide, salt and water is formed. In every neutralization reaction, salt and water is formed. So calcium hydroxide is a base. When we react with non-metallic oxide, like carbon is a non-metal and oxygen is attached to it, so CO2, it is a non-metallic oxide. So calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate plus water is formed. I told you this reaction before also. It is a testing of carbon dioxide, which lime water, this is lime water, it turns milky. So it is that reaction only. Calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate and water is formed. Okay. Thank you so much students for watching this video. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.